Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today, I am making some crazy good Cuban style rice pudding. And this episode starts right now. Welcome back. As I said, I'm making some crazy good Cuban style rice pudding. Simple ingredients behind me. Let's go check them out. Okay guys, here's the ingredients for our delicious, crazy good rice pudding. We're going to use pure vanilla extract. I normally use a can of evaporated milk, but when you don't have evaporated milk, you can equal substitution for heavy cream. So I have a cup of heavy cream. I have 2 cups of arborio rice. I have 3 pieces of lime rind. See? The outside of the lime. A pinch of salt. I have a can of delicious sweet condensed milk. I have a whole cinnamon stick. And I have 2 teaspoons of sugar. I will meet you here at the stove and let's get cooking. Hey guys, I'm back and we are at the stove. This is a spoon that I love to use when I make my rice pudding. I've had this wooden spoon for a long time and I love it to this day. Alright, I forgot to mention we have 5 cups of water in my Dutch oven pot. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw in the rice. Keep in mind the ingredients will be on my blog. You guys remember, it's right here on the screen. It's www.stovetopyumyum.com. All my episodes and all the recipes of all my episodes are on this website. Alright, so we're going to put in our 3 slices of lime and we are going to put in our cinnamon stick. What we're going to do right now is we're going to soften the rice. So we're going to stir it occasionally and it's probably going to take about 15 minutes. Let me show you. It's just the rice in the pot. You see that? And when I come back, you guys, we are going to put in there the real yum yum stuff. Now that we're ready for the yum yum stuff, we are going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Please get your measuring spoons. I don't need 2, but that's a teaspoon right there. Teaspoon of our vanilla. Then I'm going to add our cup of heavy cream, or if you have a can of evaporated milk, that's fine too. It's equivalent. They're both the same thing, so they can be used equivalently. So now I'm starting to stir this off the stove. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is going to be so creamy. And so this is exactly, you guys, how my grandmother used to make it. For my family members that have had my grandmother's rice pudding, which is the majority of you, I have a lot of cousins that are, if you're watching this video, this is exactly the way Abuela Pura made her rice pudding. I have her recipe. She gave it to me. For sweet and condensed milk, 1 can. Oh my god. This condensed milk is like, it's like pure heaven. I want to get every single inch of yum yum into this bowl. That's what my grandmother used to tell me. So now I'm going to put it on the stove on 1 before medium. You guys I need to show you this. Well, anyway, look how these 2 teaspoons of sugar will go in at the end. Why she did that, I don't know. But this is exactly what it needs to be perfect and so delicious. So I just followed in her footsteps. You guys think I look tired? I don't think I look tired. I love to share my recipes, my knowledge, my delicious yum yum food. Because, I mean, I have to be honest with you guys. It's delicious. You don't want to miss it. I'll be right back. You see that? See how beautiful it's starting to look? Oh my god. This is so delicious. You don't want to miss this, you guys. I will be right back. Guys, I know I keep saying I'm coming back for a minute. I guess I'm exhausted and I don't really know it, but I came back and I forgot to mention that I added half a cup of milk, of whole milk also. So I want to show you what it's starting to look like. Check this out. Look at that. Oh my god. I took the cinnamon stick out as well. Look at that. With that short grain rice. Ay, Dios mío. My god. So delicious. Came back for a minute. You can smell the sweet rice. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. Keep in mind, as you're stirring it, it'll start to turn a little bit yellow. That is such a good thing, because that means that condensed milk is like really, really thickening up in there. Oh, don't go away. You don't want to miss this. I will be right back. Yum, yum. Guys, I'm back and our rice pudding is ready. Oh my God, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. Look at that. I know somebody that's freaking out right now, and that's my brother if he's watching this. My little brother, oh my God. I'm telling you, if he's watching this right now, he's freaking out. Now remember, we need to refrigerate this for at least an hour. You don't want to eat this hot off the stove because it will make your belly hurt. But I am gonna taste it. I'm gonna grab one of my little condiment containers and I'm gonna taste it. And make sure when you put it in the fridge, that's a little spoonful right there. I can't do more than that. So here's a little spoonful, and when you fill your containers, we're gonna sprinkle, excuse me, oh God, we're gonna sprinkle some ground cinnamon. Okay, so let's do that. Oh my God. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna start doing the cha-cha, you guys. I'm not kidding, look at that. Look at that beautiful rice pudding. That consistency of that rice pudding, exactly like my grandmother used to make it. I mean, I have her exact recipe. I mean, all the way down to the 2 teaspoons of sugar that to this day, I don't understand why she did that, but it just makes it perfect. All right, here we go. I'm gonna taste it. It's hot, oh my God. I'm scared to try, this is so good. I can smell it. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, you can taste that creaminess from the cream. You'll taste the same creaminess if you use evaporated milk, as I mentioned before. The sweetness of the condensed milk, and then you have that little back taste from the lime peel. So traditional, Cuban style, and of course the cinnamon. And we sprinkle a little more on top, but I'm gonna try it again just to make sure. It's just a small little amount. Oh my God. You guys ready for this? It's so good, you guys. So delicious. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. I have to get down, you guys. I'm trying to be funny. It happens automatically when you make something, you taste something so freaking delicious. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God, I can't wait till you guys try this, and it's so simple. I will have the recipe on my blog, and the recipe is going to consist of 1 cup of rice instead of 2. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, feel free to subscribe, but don't forget the notification bell. That'll notify you every time I have a new video. And as always, au revoir. I love you. Los quiero. And until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back and I will see you then. Take care. Bye.